There is one thing that almost every man misses, one small behavior that women notice right away and respond to deeply, yet most men never use it the right way. It is not about money, it is not about perfect looks, it is not about buying gifts or making grand gestures, it is about presence, it is about awareness. It is about making a woman feel seen, valued, and connected in a real way. Women pay close attention to energy, tone, body language, and emotional signals. They notice the little things far more than most men realize. And often, those little things create more attraction than any smooth line ever could. Most men fail because they stay on the surface. They rely on generic compliments, forced confidence, or empty charm. They miss the deeper behaviors that actually make a woman feel something. What women truly respond to is a man who knows how to be subtle but effective, a man who understands timing, a man who knows how to listen, how to notice, and how to create a feeling instead of just trying to impress. This is not manipulation, this is awareness. This is understanding how attraction really works. In this guide, we are going to break down 7 behaviors that most men ignore, but women notice, remember, and respond to in a powerful way. Each one helps create connection, builds attraction, and makes you stand out in a world where most men are doing the same shallow things. These behaviors are simple, practical, and highly effective. When you master them, you become the kind of man women naturally want to be around, invest in, and feel drawn to. First, full attention. The first behavior that most men ignore, but women notice almost instantly, is full attention. This is one of the strongest ways to create attraction because it makes a woman feel important in the moment. And that feeling matters. Full attention is not just hearing her words while you wait for your turn to speak. It is being fully present. It is looking at her when she talks. It is listening carefully. It is noticing her tone, her expressions, and the meaning behind what she says. It is making her feel that, for that moment, she actually has your focus. Most men fail here because they are distracted. They look at their phone, they scan the room, they think about what to say next instead of actually listening. Some men may still say the right words, but women can feel the difference between real attention and half attention. And half attention almost always weakens attraction. When a man gives full attention, he communicates confidence. He shows that he does not need to search for validation somewhere else. He is not restless. He is not desperate. He is simply present. Women respond strongly to this because it feels rare. It feels real. It feels emotionally safe. Full attention also makes every other attractive quality stronger. Humor feels more natural. Compliments feel more sincere. Conversation feels more connected. Something as simple as putting your phone away, listening without interrupting, asking a good follow-up question, and responding to what she actually said can make a major difference. Even your body language matters here. Open posture, steady eye contact, and a slight lean forward can show attentiveness without saying a word. Women remember how a man made them feel, and a man who gives full attention often feels magnetic because he makes the interaction feel real, not casual or careless. Second, thoughtful compliments. The second behavior that most men ignore is giving thoughtful, specific compliments. Too many men give lazy compliments. They say things like, "You're pretty," or "You look nice," and then wonder why it has no real impact. The problem is not that the compliment is bad. The problem is that it feels generic. It feels like something he could say to anyone. Women notice when a compliment lacks depth. But they also notice when a compliment feels personal, observant, and real. A thoughtful compliment shows that you are paying attention. It shows that you notice details other men miss. Maybe it is the way she handled a situation calmly. Maybe it is the creativity in how she expresses herself. Maybe it is the effort she put into something small that most people would overlook. When you compliment something specific and meaningful, it creates a stronger emotional response because it tells her that you actually see her. That is powerful. Thoughtful compliments are not about flattery, they are about recognition. They should feel natural, not forced. Timing matters too. A compliment is more powerful when it fits the moment instead of sounding rehearsed. The way you deliver it also matters. Calm tone, eye contact, and a relaxed presence make it feel genuine. Overdoing compliments can make you seem needy, but using them well can make you unforgettable. Women respond deeply to a man who notices more than the obvious. It shows social awareness, emotional intelligence, and confidence. It tells her that you are not just reacting to her appearance, you are actually paying attention to who she is. Third, subtle touch. One of the strongest behaviors many men either ignore or misuse is subtle touch. When used naturally and appropriately, touch can build connection faster than words. But it has to be done with awareness. This is not about being aggressive or forcing physical closeness. It is about light, natural, respectful touch that fits the energy of the interaction. A brief touch on the arm during a laugh, a gentle touch on the shoulder, a light guiding motion when moving through a crowded place. These small forms of contact can communicate warmth, confidence, and comfort in a way words cannot. Women are very sensitive to physical cues. They notice how touch feels. If it feels calm, respectful, and natural, it can increase chemistry. If it feels forced, awkward, or too much, it creates discomfort. That is why timing and awareness matter so much. Touch works best when it matches the moment. It should never feel like a trick or a move. It should feel like a natural extension of a good interaction. Body language plays a big role here too. A relaxed posture, calm energy, and confident presence make subtle touch feel safer and more attractive. Men who never use touch at all can sometimes create interactions that feel distant and flat. But men who use it well often feel more grounded, socially skilled, and emotionally confident. Touch also makes the interaction feel more real. It creates a sense of closeness and chemistry that words alone may not create. Over time, those small moments of physical connection can strengthen attraction in a quiet but very powerful way. Fourth, calm confidence. Women notice calm confidence almost immediately. This is different from loud confidence or showy confidence. Calm confidence is quiet, it is steady, it is relaxed. It is the kind of presence that says, without words, I know who I am and I do not need to prove it. Many men get this wrong because they think confidence means being dominant, overly bold, or constantly trying to impress. But those things often create tension instead of attraction. Calm confidence feels different. It shows in the way a man speaks, the way he moves, the way he responds under pressure, and the way he handles himself in social situations. He does not rush. He does not panic. He does not get thrown off easily. He maintains eye contact. He speaks clearly. He makes decisions without over-explaining them. Women often feel more drawn to this energy because it feels stable and secure. It creates a sense of ease. It allows them to relax because they feel the man is emotionally in control of himself. Calm confidence also makes every other behavior stronger. A compliment sounds better when it comes from a calm man. A touch feels more natural when it comes from a calm man. Leadership feels more attractive when it comes from a calm man. This kind of confidence is rare because it requires self-control. It requires not reacting too quickly. It requires not seeking approval. But when a man develops it, people can feel it right away. And women often respond strongly to it because it feels safe, grounded, and attractive all at once. Fifth, active listening. Many men think listening means staying quiet while the woman talks. But active listening is much more than that. Active listening means staying engaged with what she is saying and showing that you understand it. It means you are not just hearing the words. You are paying attention to the meaning. You are asking follow-up questions. You are responding to what matters. You are showing real curiosity instead of waiting for your next chance to talk. Women notice this deeply because many people do not listen well anymore. Most people interrupt, shift the topic back to themselves, or only listen halfway. But when a man really listens, it stands out immediately. It creates emotional connection. It tells her that her thoughts matter. It tells her that you are not just there to impress her. You are actually there with her. Active listening also builds trust. It creates a more natural rhythm in conversation. Instead of the interaction feeling shallow or performative, it starts to feel real. Small things matter here. A slight nod, a thoughtful pause before responding. A good question that shows you followed what she said, remembering something she mentioned earlier. These things may seem minor, but they create a strong emotional effect. Active listening also makes you seem more mature and emotionally intelligent, which are traits women often find very attractive. When a woman feels understood, she often feels more relaxed, more connected, and more open. That is why this behavior is so powerful. Sixth, leading the interaction. Another behavior women notice right away is whether a man knows how to lead the interaction. Leadership here does not mean control. It does not mean being bossy or trying to dominate. It means taking initiative. It means creating direction. It means not making the interaction feel confused, passive, or uncertain. Women often respond well to a man who can move things forward in a calm and natural way. This might mean choosing a place to sit, suggesting what to do next, bringing up a new topic when the conversation slows down, creating a smooth flow in the interaction instead of making her do all the work. A lot of men fail here because they are afraid of making the wrong move, so they become passive. They wait too long. They hesitate, they leave everything open-ended. But too much hesitation often weakens attraction because it signals uncertainty. A man who leads does not do it forcefully. He does it with awareness. He reads the moment. He pays attention to her response. He guides without pressure. That balance is powerful. It shows confidence, decisiveness, and social intelligence. Women notice when a man can create structure without making things uncomfortable. Leadership also works closely with calm confidence and active listening. The best kind of leadership is not rigid. It is responsive. It creates a sense that the interaction is going somewhere, which often feels more exciting and attractive than an interaction that just drifts. Seventh, playful challenge. The last behavior that many men ignore is playful challenge. This is one of the easiest ways to create tension, energy, and chemistry when used well. Playful challenge is not arguing, it is not insulting, it is not trying to win. It is a light, fun way of creating a little friction and excitement in the interaction. It might be teasing her gently about something small. It might be jokingly disagreeing with her. It might be making her laugh by not always being overly agreeable. Many men make the mistake of trying too hard to please. They agree with everything. They avoid any tension at all. But that often makes the interaction flat. Playful challenge, when done with warmth and good timing, creates spark. It shows confidence because it tells her that you are comfortable enough not to chase approval. It also shows social skill because it requires reading her energy and matching the moment. Tone matters a lot here. A relaxed smile, playful eye contact, and light delivery make the challenge feel safe and fun. Without those things, it can come off wrong. But when done well, playful challenge makes the interaction more memorable and alive. It keeps her engaged because it adds variety and unpredictability. Women often enjoy this because it feels stimulating. It creates a sense that the man is confident, socially sharp, and not afraid of a little playful tension. Over time, this kind of interaction builds attraction because it creates emotional movement instead of making everything feel flat and overly polite. When you look at all 7 behaviors together, you start to see the bigger picture. Women do not respond most deeply to flash, money, or surface-level charm. They respond to how a man makes them feel. Full attention makes her feel important. Thoughtful compliments make her feel seen. Subtle touch creates connection. Calm confidence creates safety and attraction. Active listening creates understanding. Leading the interaction creates direction. Playful challenge creates spark. None of these behaviors are loud. None of them require you to become someone fake. They are subtle but powerful. They work because they show emotional awareness, confidence, and presence. And that is what most men are missing. The biggest mistake men make is thinking attraction is about doing more. More talking, more texting, more proving, more chasing. But often, attraction is built through better behavior, not more effort. It is built through being present instead of distracted, through being observant instead of generic, through being calm instead of needy, through creating a real experience instead of performing. Women notice these things instantly because they are always reading energy, behavior, and emotional signals. They may not always explain it in words, but they feel it. That is why mastering these 7 behaviors can change everything. You stop blending in with the men who rely only on looks, money, or rehearsed lines. You start standing out through how you carry yourself and how you make women feel. And that is what lasts. That is what gets remembered. A man who pays full attention, notices details, listens actively, leads naturally, and creates playful energy becomes much more attractive than the man who only tries to impress on the surface. The reason is simple. One feels real, the other feels ordinary. So if you want to become more attractive, do not start with tricks. Start with awareness. Be more present. Be more intentional. Pay attention to details. Listen better. Speak with calm confidence. Lead with ease. Add playful energy when it fits. These are the behaviors women notice, remember, and respond to most. And the best part is that they do not require you to become fake or manipulative. They simply require you to become more aware, more grounded, and more socially intelligent. In the end, the men who stand out are not always the loudest or the flashiest. They are often the ones who understand the power of subtle behavior. They know how to make a woman feel comfortable, engaged, and emotionally connected without trying too hard. They know that attraction grows through moments, not performances, through consistency, not gimmicks, through emotional presence, not empty charm. If you learn these 7 behaviors and apply them with authenticity, you will instantly separate yourself from the majority of men. You will create stronger conversations, deeper connection, and more lasting attraction. And that is exactly why women notice these things so quickly. Because they are rare, because they are real, and because they work.